Does anybody know the name of the skipper from Gilligan's Island? Do you, Mookie? Aloha, I'm Chappy and this is Mookie. Welcome to Chappy's Tiki Bar. Today I'm asking the trivia question, what is the name of the skipper from Gilligan's Island? And I'm not talking about the actor. The actor that played the skipper was Hale Jr. So it's a lesser known trivia question because they only mentioned the skipper's name once on the pilot when the minnow was lost. And the answer is, drumroll Mookie, Jonas Grumby. So I'm going to go down to Las Vegas, Nevada and have a drink named Jonas Grumby after the skipper. So we got a great episode. We're going to go to Frankie's Tiki Room in Las Vegas and have a Jonas Grumby. And then I'm going to show you a meal I had in Portland, Oregon when I went to TikiCon 2022. That was back in June of 2022. And then we're going to have Appies with Chappy by the lake. So more about this Jonas Grumby. So Frankie's Tiki Room sells a Jonas Grumby cocktail. And they have the recipe in the book Liquid Vacation by P. Moss, which is written by the owner of Frankie's Tiki Room. So I'll give you the recipe for the Jonas Grumby. It's 1 ounce of Sailor Jerry spiced rum, a half ounce of Crezan mango rum, a half ounce of apricot brandy, and a 1/4 ounce of Crezan blackstrap rum, and 2 ounces of apricot nectar with a splash of club soda. And that's a Jonas Grumby. So coming up next, we're going to have a Jonas Grumby at Frankie's Tiki Room in Las Vegas, Nevada. Aloha! Welcome to Appies with Chappy by the lake. I just flew in from Portland, Oregon, and boy are my arms tired. So for my Appy today, I got a little Pu Platter going, just some baby back ribs, spring rolls, chicken wings, and a little guacamole dipping sauce. So we're going to do a drink. I'm going to do a Banana Colada. So I got a cocktail shaker here. Drop a little ice. And the banana component to my Banana Colada, I got a banana liqueur. And we'll do a little bit of Captain Morgan spiced rum. And I got some cream of coconut. A little bit of pineapple juice. And then I'm going to give it a kiss of fresh lime from a half a lime. It's not very juicy, but we'll get a little bit of lime just to freshen it up. And we're going to give it a shake. I got a hurricane glass, and I'm going to strain it in. And that, my friends, is a Banana Colada to go with my Pu Platter. And that concludes another edition of Appies with Chappy by the lake. Thanks for watching another episode of Chappy's Tiki Bar. I'm Chappy and this is Mookie, and we're saying life is hard, that's just the way it goes, but sometimes it goes the other way. See you next time on Chappy's Tiki Bar.